Welcome to the Brighton Crochet channel. My name is Cherry and today we are going to learn about the lanyard mask extender. Before we begin, we need the 4mm hook, the yarn with double pull yarn. So I have the slip stitch and chain 40. After chaining 40, then we began to have the half double crochet until you finish into the bottom. Yes, a half double crochet each chain. Now that we are on the top of the chain, we have to do the 5 half double crochet in the same chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So at the same chain, there are 5 half double crochet, and then next chain you have to do the half double crochet each chain until at the bottom. Don't cut the yarn because we will work out the center of this mask extension. Slip stitch, and then do the slip stitch each hole. Each hole you have to work each hole until you reach to the top. The reason why we have the slip stitch at the center because it is a holder for the button. It is easy to put the button. If you want a plain color, then you can stop your work here. But if you want to have a brighter mask lanyard extender, then we can insert the other color. For me, I choose the red color to make it bright. So you have to slip stitch first, and then and you have to secure it. You have to make a knot to secure that it will not move, and then continue the work as a single crochet from the bottom to the end of this work. Cut the yellow yarn and continue the work. Each chain you have to do the single crochet. start the work, you have to chain 1 and then cut the yarn. And the other existing yarn, we have to hide it. We have to use the small hook or the needle. So it is done, and now we have to put the 2 buttons left and right. So we have to use the small needle and the small yarn. So first you have to insert it and then put the button and make it thicker. Just put it around and around to make it thicker. It will not move or loose. Then to the other side, you have to keep the yarn, just secure it, and then cut the yarn. And do the same to the other side. You can use other buttons like the circle buttons, so it will look nice. And then tag me if you are done watching this and then you're learning about how to do the mask extender. Don't forget to tag me, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.